Lots of people are creating photos with Google Gemini, but that's not all it can do. You can actually talk to Google Gemini and ask about any topic you want. In this video, we'll show you how to chat with Google Gemini. You don't need to type, just talk like you would with a friend. To do this, open the Google Gemini app. You'll see a button like this. Tap on it, and when you do, a page will pop up. This is where you can start talking. For example, I'm gonna try starting a conversation. Hi, Gemini.
Hi there. I'm excited to chat with you today. What's on your mind?
Can you tell me about today's news?
It's been a busy day in the news. There's a lot happening in politics, with ongoing discussions about economic policies and international relations. Also, there have been some major developments in the tech world, with new product releases and innovations in artificial.
See, Gemini's giving me great answers, and you can talk about any topic you like. That's how easy it is to chat with Google Gemini. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. Catch you in the next one.